land with water, a river. So God told Abraham, Abraham, I bought you place. So for you to stay. So Abraham, before Abraham goes to the new land, Abraham go first. Abraham went to the Egypt. So and Abraham had a friend. So
Who?
Pharaoh. So Abraham was scared because Abraham thinks that Pharaoh will dead him. So then Abraham told Pharaoh, I will go back to my land. So before Abraham go to the promised land first, he go back in his country, and that's all.